Hello friends, this is Priyanka from my channel Creative Infinite. Hope you are doing well. Today I am here with this video to share some short facts about the term quarantine and social distancing. And also we will know about the Black Death fact. What is quarantine? What is social distancing? Do we know who invented quarantine? This is a very interesting story. We are now very much used to with these two words, quarantine and social distancing. In a day, most of the times we used to hear these two words. Do you really want to know about invention of quarantine and social distancing? Let's start. The practice of quarantine as we know it began during the 14th century in an effort to protect coastal cities from plague epidemics. Ships arriving in Venice from infected ports and were required to sit at anchor from 40 days before landing. The use of quarantine rapidly expanded during the Black Death of the 14th century. Originally appearing in the Far East, the disease that would come to be synonymous with plague first emerged in Europe as nothing more than a rumor in 1346. Over the next 5 to 10 years, the plague exploded onto the Western world, killing millions and altering the fabrics of every society it touched. Italian author Giovanni Boccaccio wrote one of the most famous descriptions of the Black Death in his Decameron. From that event, the Black Death is also known as the end of the world. The plague began in a terrifying and extraordinary manner. To make its disastrous effect apparent, it did not take the form it had assumed in the East, where if anyone bled from the nose, it was an obvious portent of certain death. On the contrary, its earliest symptoms in men and women alike was the appearance of certain swelling in the groin or armpit, some of which were egg-shaped, whilst others were roughly the size of the common apple. Against these maladies, it seemed that all the advice of physicians and all the power of medicine were profitless and unavailing. Few of those who caught it ever recovered, and in most cases death occurred within 3 days from the appearance of the symptoms. Some people died more rapidly than others, the majority without any fever or other complications. This is the origin of the Black Death. This is the image of rat flea, who works as a carrier of plague. Fleas have claimed more victims than all the wars ever fought. Beginning as early as 3000 years ago, quarantine and isolation were employed as technologies against the proliferation of disease. As human understanding of disease transmission grew, quarantine sophistication and efficacy improved, until it became standard practice in combating epidemics. Though not always successful, quarantines delayed or continued outbreaks by removing all potential pathogen carriers from the populace. At first likely used against leprosy and plague of antiquity, quarantine as a technology expanded rapidly in the Western world during the Black Death epidemic. Its initial success against the plague established during quarantine as a standard procedure to stopping the spread of epidemics and pandemics. Black Death, also known as the pestilence and the plague, was the most fatal pandemic recorded in human history, resulting in the death of up to 75 to 200 million people in Eurasia and North Africa, peaking in Europe from 1347 to 1351. Social distancing and quarantine is not today's concept. These were used in medieval times to fight the Black Death. Similarly, we are also requested to stay in quarantine to save our life from coronavirus. Stay at home, stay safe.